Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify optical flow versus frame blending results for slow motion, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify optical flow versus frame blending results for slow motion, start by gathering your footage. Choose a scene with fast movement to maximize the effect of slow motion. Import your footage into your preferred editing software. Create a duplicate of the original clip on your timeline. Next, apply the optical flow effect to one of the clips. Ensure that your software's optical flow settings are customized for best quality. Play back the clip to observe the smoothness and fluidity of motion. Now, move to the duplicate clip and apply frame blending. Adjust the frame blending settings if your software allows for further refinement. Play back this clip to evaluate how it handles the slow motion effect. Compare both clips side by side to analyze the differences. Observe the artifacts that may appear in frame blending, such as ghosting. Evaluate the transitions in motion provided by optical flow. Spend time focusing on key areas of motion within the scene. Identify which method preserves detail and motion better. For a thorough analysis, take screenshots of both clips. Highlight the specific differences in motion blur and sharpness. Use these images for a detailed comparison in your review. Consider additional tests with varying speeds of slow motion. Document your findings for future reference. Conclude with a summary of which method performs best for your specific footage. This process will enhance your understanding of slow motion techniques. Utilize these insights for more impactful video editing projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.